can cook seaweed in stir fries, and it's amazing. Have you given it a try?
Stir-fried seaweed with cabbage offers a delightful blend of flavors. The umami richness of seaweed pairs perfectly with the mild sweetness of cabbage. In terms of texture, the crispy seaweed contrasts wonderfully with the tender crisp cabbage, creating a satisfying double crunch. Cabbage is packed with vitamin C and fiber, nutritious yet low in calories, making it a great choice for a healthy diet. Its antioxidants also boost immunity, and regular consumption brings significant health benefits. Ingredient: cabbage, seaweed, carrot. Peel and shredded carrot. Stir-fried seaweed with cabbage and shredded carrots boasts a vibrant golden hue, adding layers of texture and a natural sweetness to the dish. The crunch of carrots blends perfectly with the umami of seaweed, creating a dish that's visually appealing, delicious, and packed with balanced nutrition. Shredded cabbage and set aside. Stir-fried cabbage over high heat stays crisp and sweet, simple yet incredibly tasty. Packed with vitamins and fiber, it's low-calorie and nutritious, a guilt-free choice. Cut seaweed into slices and set aside. I use sushi nori sheets for stir-frying. It's super convenient and quick, perfect for cooking anytime. These pre-toasted nori sheets require no washing or chopping, just tear and toss in the pan for instant flavor. Let's start cooking. Stir-fry shredded carrots until lightly caramelized. Their natural sweetness shines with a tender, crisp bite. The golden, glossy color makes the dish instantly irresistible. Toss in shredded cabbage and seasoning to taste. Stir-fried cabbage releases natural juices, but don't worry. The seaweed will soak up the extra moisture, making the texture just perfect. A couple of stirs with the seaweed done in seconds. Behold, the perfect balance of umami nori, sweet cabbage, and golden carrots. Serve immediately. The umami saltiness of nori clashes deliciously with the mild sweetness of cabbage, while carrots add a natural earthy sweetness, creating complex flavors that pair perfectly with rice. Crispy nori, juicy cabbage, and tender yet snappy carrots create a textural symphony. Every bite is incredibly satisfying. Lightly seasoned yet packed with natural goodness, it's a guilt-free dish that makes you crave extra bowls of rice. Cabbage is a millennium veggie used as medicine in ancient Greece, Rome, and only became a staple food in the Middle Ages. It packs more vitamin C than oranges, 36.6 milligrams, 100 grams. Sailors ate it to prevent scurvy. Purple cabbage's hue comes from anthocyanins. It turns red with vinegar, acting as a natural pH indicator. Nori isn't a plant or animal, it's a primitive red algae that's existed for over 1.6 billion years. China produces 90% of the world's edible seaweed, but the term nori is Japanese. They pioneered the sheet drying technique. When nori turns green when heated, it's not spoilage, it's phycoerythrin breaking down, actually intensifying umami. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family. Yeah. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.